Hey y'all, this is Amanda with She's a Mad Gardener, and today I'm over at my mother-in-law's house, and she has a beautiful established garden with mature shrubs, beautiful ferns, oak leaf hydrangea, just beautiful. But today we're going to be putting in some bright annual color right at the front of her entrance, just so that when she drives up after errands and stuff, she has something beautiful to look at. So I'm looking forward to showing you guys what I come up with. As a reminder, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell, and be sure to leave me a comment below. Every time you subscribe, hit that notification bell or leave me a comment. It helps grow my channel and helps me to bring you guys more videos. Okay, just to show y'all, check out her oak leaf hydrangea. Absolutely gorgeous. It's taller than I am. It's tucked in behind this tree. Gets mostly shade, a little bit of filtered sun. Absolutely stunning. Every year you can see the blooms are gonna go bonkers. One of my favorite areas here, let me walk y'all around. Is this patch of ferns over here. Look how big these are. Isn't that gorgeous? Yeah, love this area, love the ferns. She's gonna let me cut some and take some home for some arrangements today. All right, but let me show you where we're going to be working. Okay, here is the front of her house. She has 2 pots in the front. I'm going to try to get those leveled up for her, and we're going to be filling those up with some bright annual color, and then we're going to be concentrating some floral in these areas just to give her a little bit more punch on the front. She's got a lot of rocks that are worked into her landscape, which is beautiful. You can see this ajuga is just finishing up blooming. It fills this area, so we're going to fill in with some annuals. I'm going to do clusters of color, so I'm not going to spread everything out evenly. I've got some lavender vincas, I've got thumbelina zinnias, I've got white petunias, I have purple angelonia, a couple of silver falls dichondra, and these, which are called the lapidinias. And so we'll be working these into the front, and then we're going to be adding fresh mulch. All right, I think I'm going to do a little bit of weeding first. Okay, so when I'm starting any project, I make sure that I go through and I place everything. I decided, since the ajuga is so dark over here, and that I wanted to bring some white petunias, so I'm going to tuck these around. These each have 6 plugs in them, so I'm going to spread them out all through this space so that they kind of have some movement through there. Angelonia, which get a little bit taller, I'm going to work back in this area, and then I'm going to work some of the zinnias this direction. Across here, I think will be really pretty. And then over here, I've tucked in some of the lavender vinca. I'm going to put the Dilapidenia and the Dichondra Falls, or Silver Falls, right here in the pot. And then I'm gonna match that pot on the other side. She's already got a geranium in here, a bright pink geranium. And I'm also gonna try to get that pot leveled up because it's tilting. Some more white petunias right here. Working in a little bit of this lavender vinca, although I think I might move that around some and move in some of the zinnias around here. Trade those out. All right, as always, you guys, I'm gonna be utilizing Plant Tone from Espoma. I picked this up from Home Depot or Lowe's. It's an all-purpose plant food. It does great for all of my flowers, and I'll be tossing this into every single hole. As I plant everything, it supplies food for about 3 months. Okay, we are all done. Got everything in place. So I'm gonna give you guys a little tour and show you how it turned out. Okay, so we started with small plugs. So it will take a little while for all this to fill in, but I did use plant tone on everything, so it is well fed. We also went through and applied new mulch everywhere. So over here we've got the zinnias. They'll eventually cover this whole area. Angelonia in the back, white petunias across the front here. We updated the planters a little bit with some Silver Falls dichondria and the lapidemia. I can never say that right. New mulch there, white petunias, more of the zinnias, and then over here we did these sweet little lavender vincas. I think it turned out nice, y'all. Simple, quick little update for her, and she can enjoy watching all of this grow in over the season. Okay, thanks so much for joining me today. As always, she's a mad gardener or a decorator or anything else that she wants to be. Thanks, y'all.